Welcome to the wonderful world of Playper. This is the Curious Kingdom Catapult Playset from Playper. It's a planet-friendly gnome launching catapult over 10 inches long, with a firing catapult, rideable unicorn and cart with moving wheels. Let's open the box and see what's inside. The box includes a booklet introducing all of the Curious Kingdom characters, a sheet of instructions, and 6 sheets of paperboard that make the playset itself. Paperboard is no ordinary paper. Each sheet sandwiches compressed card fibers between 2 durable layers, printed with child-safe inks. Unlike corrugated card, there's no directional grain or air pockets to create weak points, and unlike foam board, the material uses zero plastic, so it's completely biodegradable and recyclable. Paperboard is super sturdy and slightly springy to make unwanted creases or tears less likely. To assemble the Curious Kingdom Catapult playset, we're going to start by pushing out all of the parts, making sure to push from the side of the page with the push from this side graphic. Let's start by building all of the characters. To build the Knight of Always, fold the legs inwards as shown, before sliding the body into the legs and then pushing it upwards until it locks into place using the 2 tabs. To build Snack Cake the Gnome, fold the legs inwards before folding them up, slotting the 2 tabs into the body, locking everything in place. Repeat this process for Fish Stick the Gnome and the Dummy Gnome. To assemble Cornelius the Unicorn, fold the body inwards before attaching both leg pieces using the 2 tabs on either side of the body. Now insert the head into the slot on the body until it locks in place. The Knight of Always can ride Cornelius the Unicorn by being inserted into his back. For a strong connection, make sure that the slot in the Knight's back is inserted fully. To build the cart, first attach both sides to the middle using the 2 tabs on either side as shown. Slide the 2 axle pieces into one another before attaching either of the wheel pieces to the axle. Now slide the axle through the 2 holes on the cart before attaching the second wheel, locking it into place. You can attach the cart to Cornelius the Unicorn using the hitch on his back. To build the targets, fold the base inwards and then slide the target section into the base as shown. Now let's build the catapult itself with 6 simple steps. Step 1. Connect both parts of the launcher together. Step 2. Slide the sides of the catapult into the slots on the front as shown. Step 3. Push the side pieces inwards until the tab is fully inserted to lock them in place. Step 4. Carefully slide the launcher into the base. Step 5. Attach the back of the catapult using the 2 exposed tabs on the base. Step 6. Connect the walkway and ladder to the side of the catapult. With that, the catapult is now fully assembled and ready to launch the dummy gnome. You can recycle the leftover paperboard pages or keep them handy for easy storage when playtime is over. Gnomes are thrill seekers by nature and keep begging the Knight of Always to launch them from his catapult, but the Knight isn't so sure that's safe. To try and placate him, the gnomes have built a life-size dummy to practice with. Fire at the dummy, try to hit the target, or catch them in the carrot cart, and then have Cornelius the Unicorn bring it back to try again. Will the Knight's aim ever be good enough to safely launch these gnomes? We'll leave that up to you.